What up, YouTube? Back again with another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your boy switched up 2-6 here, man. Hey, man, just giving y'all a little bit of footage of what we had going on today, man. Took the 79 out for a nice little tip today. Yes, sir. We went to the DogWood Festival, man. We had a great turnout out there, man. Everybody came, supported, showed their love. So, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Right now, man, take the time out, man. Please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, man. And show your support, man, for your boy Switched Up 2-6. I hope y'all enjoy the footage. And keep it locked, man. Yes, sir.
That doesn't mean it's sport bet, right? Yeah, that car really works. Look. Look at this, Jay.